Unajificha na nakufocus. Mjinga mkono. Ona vile nimeshika mkono. Yeah. Good morning, guys. Good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. But here in East Africa, Kenya, it's early in the morning. It's 6 a.m. in the morning. I'm just from work. I hope you've seen the video before this introduction. Yeah, so guys, we are here. Thank you so much for clicking in, and welcome back to my channel. It's been a minute and I'm back, guys. Thank you so much for all those who supported me. Thank you so much for those who sent sweet messages, the condolences messages. I do appreciate. So okay, we went to the funeral. We made sure everything is okay, the body laid to rest, and that was it. I went home, the countryside, and then somehow I felt sick, but I'm here, I'm okay, I'm on form. I thank God for the healing and everything. So now I think it's enough of a break. I'm back and let's do this, guys. So thank you so much. And for the new subscribers, thank you so much for showing up and showing me the love. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please kindly go ahead, hit the notification bell, subscribe. And if you are my returning subscriber, thank you so much for always supporting me. Let's continue with the same spirit. Like my videos, comment, and share to your family and friends. So today's video, without further ado, I'll just be showing you around what I'll be doing throughout the day. It's my off day, of course, and I'll be showing you what I'll be doing, of course. Yeah. Okay. Guys, I'm so overwhelmed with joy. I'm happy. I'm back to your screens. Thank you so much. Yeah, let's tune into the video. Alright, guys, so I came carrying in some things, and as you can see, I came carrying the green maize cobs. I want to prepare githeri, that's mixture of maize and beans. And then I bought tissue because I ran out of tissue, and this month I didn't do any shopping because I had enough. But this tissue, the previous tissue, I've stayed with it for like 3 months and it's remaining only 1 roll, so I decided let me add this before the month ends. And then I also got the unga, the maize flour, because what I have, it's remaining just a little kidogo. So I've decided to add this as I wait for end month. I do some shopping, and then of course I came with milk. That milk, we usually get milk from my workplace. Yeah, so this is what I got. I'm here, I'm so tired, I'm so sleepy. Allow me to just sleep a little bit, and then I'll catch you up. I'll catch you up throughout the day. Yeah. I'll be moving around with you in this house. Okay, so these ones, I don't think I'm going to like, I'll keep it later. I'll keep this later. I'm so tired. I'm so tired. So let me remove these socks. Let me Yippee. Alright guys, so this my bed. It's not well spread. But it's okay. As long as I sleep, let me change into my nightgown. Let me change into my nightgown, guys. And then I sleep a little bit. Yes, guys, this is me. I've changed into my nightgown. This one. I'm ready to sleep. Allow me to sleep. I'll catch you up in a bit.
So high, I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through.
So guys, this is, I think I wanna hurry up in whatever I'm gonna do. I wanna wash these clothes here. So let me prepare tea. Having a very powerful breakfast here. As you can see, my tea here has settled because I was on a call with my sister. So I'm taking githeri, this one with avocado and tea. I love this tea and I don't know why. And then here I'm trying to select beans. To, do you call it select, like doing away with dirt, this dirt here. So I'm just trying to select, and then this is the good one now, the selected ones. So I want to prepare githeri with this maize here, right here. I've been shoring. So guys, let me do it as fast as possible. I want to wash my clothes. Stay tuned. Alright guys, that's it. Thank you so much for clicking in and watching my video up to the end. Thank you so very much. I do not take it for granted. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do not forget to click on the notification bell, turn on the notification bell, subscribe, like, comment and share to your family and friends, and be sure to see you on my next video. What do we say guys? Ciao ciao, au revoir.